How's it going, YouTube? And welcome back to the channel. This is pretty much just an update video on the tires on the bike. The little issue I had when I went to the mechanic shop and he said the tires were cupping because my handlebars were shaking. This is just an update video. If you watched my Instagram story, you saw where I went to Cycle Gear and I had the tires balanced. The guy did say the tires were off just a little bit, a few ounces or so. So what he did was he added, I think he said like a weight or two, and he balanced them out back to zero. So I put the tires back on, they're back on the bike. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just take a quick 10-15 minute ride and I'm gonna see if the shaking stopped on the handlebars. I appreciate y'all who commented on my YouTube page. All those comments were much appreciated. I thank y'all so much. So hopefully, you know, this pretty much fixed the issue. We're about to see, so I'm gonna hop on the bike and I'm gonna take a ride. Thank y'all for watching, and y'all stay tuned. Shaking anymore like it was. I believe that fixed the issue. I'm about to take it on the interstate. That's a nice Victory motorcycle. think that actually fixed the issue. I'm definitely gonna keep an eye on it. When I took the little test ride just a few minutes ago, it didn't shake at all. Very minimum. The handlebars pretty much was kind of straight the whole time I was riding. Again, thank y'all for watching. Stay tuned. Y'all stay safe out there.